guys, welcome back once again to my channel. Today I just wanted to bring you a quick haul that I did the other day where I probably spent money that I shouldn't have, but we're all human, right? So anyway, the other day I went to the outlets that are by my house, and I originally went to go pick up some warm clothes that I can wear outdoors for a work project, but instead I ended up in Express, as I always do, and I ended up picking up quite a few things for the rest of the fall and the winter and so on and so forth. Lately I've just realized that I don't have as many sweaters as I hoped I did. I think I thought I had more than I do, but I feel like I'm growing out of a lot of the ones that I had, and I feel like I don't like them as much anymore. But anyway, that happens with all clothes, whatever. I'm kind of just rambling on at this point. Express is that store for me that I can go into and pretty much find a handful of things, at least, that I like every single time I go in there. I can find things for work, just to lounge around in, to go out in. Pretty much can find an outfit for all occasions in there. So today I just wanted to bring to you this quick haul that I did the other day just to show you what I got, and hopefully this will inspire you to pick up some new pieces for your winter wardrobe, because I know I'm very excited about what I bought. So the first thing that I bought is this big cozy sweater that you see me wearing right now. It is a quarter zip shirt. I don't think this is Sherpa. It's kind of just like a fleece, fuzzy, teddy, whatever you want to call it, sweatshirt. I am an advocate of all things comfy, so of course when I saw this on sale for $24, I absolutely had to have it. They had them in all different colors. They had a camouflage one, they had a maroon one, they had this one, a black one. I want to say a white one, but I'm not entirely sure. But anyway, they had a ton of different options of it. I absolutely love this color because it goes with everything. The inside of this is the same material as the outside, if you can see that. It is kind of oversized, so it is a bit longer. I feel like I may have sized up in this because I like my things big and baggy, but I can wear this with leggings because I'm the type of person that I like longer things with leggings. So this is a bit longer, so I can wear it with leggings. It's got a pocket in the front here, if you can see, and it is so incredibly comfy that I highly recommend it. I recommend them in all colors. Definitely try them out. So the next thing that I got is this sweater right here. Like I said, I needed some new sweaters for the winter, and I feel like this was exactly what I was looking for. I did size up in it, so this is a size medium. Normally, depending on what it is, I am normally a size extra small in Express, but I wanted things very oversized, so I went with a medium in this. It is such a pretty color. It is like this light pink with some white in it, if you can see that. But anyway, it's super cute. It is a full-length sleeve. It looks like it's got some drop shoulders here. It's a crew neck. I love it. And believe it or not, I got this on sale for $19. So, say no more. The next thing I got is something that I saw that caught my eye while it was on the rack, and I was like, oh, I gotta have that. So if you know me, you know that I love sweatshirts. So this one was one that I absolutely had to have. I have a few of their other sweatshirts, and they're so comfy. I love the Express 111 sweatshirts. They last so long. I've had this camouflage one that I wear all the time that has lasted me so long. It's so comfy. The quality is great, and I absolutely recommend it. But this one, I'll show you again. It's just gray. It says Fearless on it, which I thought was pretty neat. I like the whole red block. And then this one also has pockets in it. Love that. The inside is super comfy. It's oversized because, again, I love things that are oversized, and my mission was to just get things that I can wear with leggings and be comfy in and be cozy in this winter. I ended up getting this on sale for $24.97. It's $25. It is normally $50. I thought that was a pretty good deal. I know these types of sweatshirts stay in stores for quite a long time because they really don't go out of style, and who doesn't want something like this? And next is another sweater because you can never have enough sweaters. This one I'm really excited about. It's different. I don't have anything like this. I have a lot of plain colored sweaters, but I don't really have anything with designs on it. So I got this chevron sweater. It's crew neck. It's got the white and the tan and the black, of course. The sleeves look like they will be a bit shorter, although I haven't tried it on just yet, so I'm not sure. I'll have to get back to you on that. It actually may be a full-length sleeve. But I actually got this in my normal size of extra small because it did look a bit bigger, and I do think that this will still cover, I do think this will still be long enough that I can wear it with leggings. This is definitely going to be a work sweater for me. I can imagine me pairing this up with my leggings and a pair of booties. I have the perfect pair in my closet that I literally am picturing the whole outfit all together right now in my head. This is another sweater that I got on sale. This one was also on sale for $19. The original price is $59.95, which I still think is totally worth it, especially if you have rewards, because their rewards program is mint. So this last piece that I have is different than anything I have in my wardrobe right now, which makes me really excited to wear it. But it is this window pane vest. It's super cute. It kind of looks like a giant blanket scarf, but it's a vest. It's longer in the front than in the back. So I will wear this with a pair of black dress pants and probably a black turtleneck and some boots. I am picturing the outfit in my head again, and I love it. That's the thing that I do. Like, if I see something on a shelf that I'm like, do I want this? I'll picture an outfit in my head. And if I can picture an outfit in my head, then it's definitely a for sure buy for me. But in any case, I thought this was so cute. It's soft. I love the print. I love the color and the texture, and I am really excited to wear it. This ended up being $29.97, so about $30, and the original price was $50, so I got this on sale as well. By now, if you've been following me for quite some time, you know I'm a sucker for a good sale, and I love being able to share what I purchased with you. If you want to see all these outfits styled and on, be sure to follow me on Instagram at bricutter so you can see when I post them. I'm sure I'll be posting them within the next week or so. So if you liked what you saw today, make sure you hit the red button down below to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified and one of the first to watch my videos. I try to post every Thursday and Friday, but sometimes life happens. But in any case, I will try to post at least once a week for you and bring you all the sales that I know of. I love being able to share all my fashion and makeup and life endeavors with you all. So until next time, bye!